Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust screen size in OBS Studio. And here's how it is done. The first method is to click on the line above the scenes and drag it up or down. This will adjust the screen size accordingly. The second method is to click on the screen itself and resize it from one of the corners. The aspect ratio won't change, but if you want to change it, hold down the Shift key while adjusting. This will allow you to modify the aspect ratio. To reset everything, you can press Ctrl plus Z or go to the Transform menu and select Reset Transform to undo any changes. The third method is to crop the screen and then record. Start by resetting the transform, then hold down the Alt key while resizing. This will crop the screen. Just remember, the third method won't work properly unless you reset the transform first. That's everything you need to know about how to adjust screen size in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.